Hello again, orchestra. We are on page 15, our second day of using the bow. Okay, are you having fun with this? And today we're going to continue using the rosin. Okay, so make sure you have your rosin ready to go. Your bow hair's been tightened up and ready to go. And we're still using our pre-bow hold, which means we're finding the place on the stick where it balances, okay, and that's where we're going to hold the bow right there. Okay, got our thumb bent, got our fingers put around. All right, here we go. On this page 15, excuse me, there is a video, again, that's already been made for us. It's called video lesson number 6. Please make sure you watch that video before you watch my video that I'm making, okay? The pictures on the page are showing you again how to place your fingers and your thumb. This picture of the girl is how to hold the instrument, hold the bow on the string. Notice where her elbow is. She's kind of raised her elbow up away from her side of her body, and her fingers are grasping pre-bow hold. She's chosen to hold the instrument by the bout, and that's fine if you want to do that. Or you can grab it out here on the neck and just hold it there under your thumb and your first finger. All right, let's jump into this songs on this page. Scroll on down. Rosin bowing, 64 quarter note contact. Today we're going to move the bow to quarter notes, which means we're going to move the bow a little faster over the note from the place where you start all the way to the tip. Okay, well, instead of going slow like a half note, we're going to do quarter notes, so we're going to move it quicker to get to the end of the bow and to get back on each note. All right, let's get the rosin up. Remember, violins and violas are going to hold it about right under your chin, about right there, a little bit over, maybe even by your shoulder to kind of pretend that's where your instrument is. All right, and the cellos and basses are going to be holding it down by their belly, okay, and going right and left, going sideways with the bow. Okay, place the bow hair on the rosin, and line number 64. We're going to play the 2 quarter notes down, up. Okay, so we're going to move the bow fairly quick in order to get to the tip and to come back up to where our thumb is. Okay, all right, everyone ready? All right, say down, up as you bow the notes. Rest, 2, 3, begin. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, repeat. Now down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Notice it says keep the rosin still. Okay, we don't want to be moving the rosin. We want the stick to be moving, not the rosin hand. You knew that, but you might have forgotten. You might have been moving the wrong hand on accident. Line 65, thumb to tip faster now. All right, here we go. Rest, 2, ready, speak. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Repeat. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, line 66, rosin wild. Ooh, this one's got a lot of notes in it and some rests. Also, we got to be careful to count. Whenever the rests arrive, we have to stop the bow, okay, freeze it, and then continue on the other direction. Ready? Rest, 2, ready, speak. Down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, freeze, up, down, up, freeze, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest. Repeat, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, rest, up, down, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest. Okay, now we're going to put our rosin down and move on to the instrument. Bowing open string quarter notes. Pull and push. Those are two words that describe what we're doing with that stick. We're pulling across the D string when we do down bow, and we're pushing the bow across the D string when we go with an up bow. Okay, so you might want to think of pulling and pushing the bow. Again, try to keep your bow from wandering. Try not to let the tip wander from side to side. Try to keep it nice and straight as we're moving it in the air. Don't let it wander to the left or to the right. All right, here we go. Place the hair on the D string and rest, 2, ready, go. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest. Repeat now. Down, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Line number 68. Did you notice that these lines that we play are just the same lines as above when we were playing on the rosin? Yep, it's the same song, but now we're using notes. Okay, so line 68, bowing straight on A. There's our A. Ready? Rest, 2, ready, say it. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. How'd you do? Doing okay with this? I hope so. If not, that's okay also. Just go back and practice it some more. Practice it slower. Maybe I'm going too fast for you. Go a little bit slower so you can control. You can even look with your eyes. See where my eyes are? You can look at your bow and make sure you're bowing in the correct area between the bridge and the fretboard, and that the tip is not drifting away from us, okay? But we're keeping it right where it belongs on the string. Okay, quarter notes or quarters together, okay? And rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, rest, up, down, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest. Repeat. Down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, rest, up, down, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest, up, rest. And that is page 15. Practice it slowly. Go back and do it again if you had any trouble playing those notes, okay? Thank you.